My video guide is about getting rid of the ransomware called WannaCry 3.0. My video is only for the educational purposes, though I'm not related to this ransomware and I'm not promoting this ransomware. I will just show you the negative impact of the ransomware on the files. So before the ransomware attack, you are able to open your files without any troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and all other data. Sadly, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this particular ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the computer. It may happen during installation of some software, some shady software. For instance, users may download some files through certain file sharing services, which is not really legal, of course, and in fact I don't encourage you to do that. I encourage you to use the files in complete obedience to copyright laws. Anyway, some way or another, this ransomware may be easily injected into the computer, and very soon users realize that something bad has taken place with their files. Basically, this ransomware is spread through certain illegal game downloaders, and these are the consequences of the ransomware attack. Whenever you try to open the specific file, you get this message saying that Windows can't open this type of file with the wncry extension. The same applies to all other files, and it is indeed impossible to open these files anymore. The ransomware then tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery. However, paying the ransom is definitely not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. If you pay the ransom, you may just waste your money without getting the data recovered. So don't pay the ransom, don't waste your money. What I recommend you to do is immediately remove this ransomware. My suggestion is that you do that with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. And you may get it on the page combocleaner.com. So download the software, install it. Then once it gets installed, start the program. It will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. Most likely the software would first of all update its anti-malware database, and definitely this is truly essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. After the anti-malware database has been successfully updated, Combo Cleaner begins scanning, researching, and investigating the system. Please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. This feature does not decrypt files, but it helps to remove this ransomware and to protect the data. Of course, at the end of this scanning, you will see the summary of all the infections which were revealed during the scan. The summary of these threats at the end of the scan will give you the information about what type of threat was found, its exact location on the system. Also, keep in mind that you can always upgrade to premium and always request for the free trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Speaking about file decryption, Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files, but as I said, it helps to remove this ransomware and to protect your data. There is no any other antivirus which would help you to decrypt files. But at the end of the video, in the description to the video, you may find the information, a special link which will lead you to a special article which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your files.